This video is attaching our FireBoard Drive Blower to our ball valve adapter. First, you'll take the FireBoard Drive Blower and loosen these thumb screws on each side to release the prongs. Then you take the ball valve adapter and place it on the face of the drive blower. Then you want to line them up where the slots you can see, and then you can feed through the prongs through those slots. And then tighten down on the thumb screw. And do the same on the other side. And that is how you attach the ball valve adapter to our FireBoard Drive Blower. For more information on our ball valve adapter and any of our other products, please visit our knowledge base at docs.fireboard.io. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos and updates. Follow us on social media, and thanks for choosing FireBoard.